Hell yeah, what's up guys? It's Chris Pike. My friends call me Big C. Back in action today, I'm going to show you how to download HitFilm. This used to be called HitFilm Express, and we did about 35 tutorials on how to use that software. Well, it's been rebranded, and it's got a whole bunch of new changes, and now it's called HitFilm. So let's just go and learn this one from scratch. To get it, to download it, go to fxhome.com like I've done here, and then you're going to see the download free option. Just click on that. It's also up here as well. And then it's going to ask you your name and all that other monkey stuff. I'm going to go Curtis. Oh, let's put in my real name. Why not? Curtis. Come on, Curtis. Curtis Pike. There we go. Curtis at mgn.tv. I don't know. Let's pick a password. Something like that. Okay. I do not want to receive emails. No. No credit card required. Beauty. It's free. All right. Let's go. It's already taken. Of course it is. Curtis at mgn.gg then. Whatever. Close enough. There we go. Now, it's going to send me a bunch of stuff, and let's go ahead and begin the install. So there it goes. It's downloading. It's almost 500 megabytes. So that's pretty big. Now I'm going to just check my email, see if I got it. This is not the one. Let's go switch over to this one. Bingo. Welcome to FX Home. There it is, guys. So I'm going to go ahead now and let this finish downloading, and then I'm going to come back. Alrighty, welcome back. It has finished downloading. Double click on the file, the .pkg. And off we go. Here we go. We're going to get into HitFilm Installer. I'm just going to hit continue. Yeah, of course I read the agreement. I always read them front to back. Sure, I agree. Blah, blah, blah. We're going to install it the default spot. 1.12 gigabytes of space. And that needs my password. Let's see if I remember it. Hopefully that's the one. Ha! I remembered it. That's a first. And now, guys, I'm just showing you the steps for the free to find it, to download it, to install it. And again, this is free software. I'm also going to show you all the different techniques on how to use it as well. But for those of you that are new to YouTube or getting started, this is awesome. This is a way to get in without having to pay for anything and get up and running real quick. Anyways, I will come back with the final bits in a second. All right, welcome back. It's now in my applications library here. I'm on a Mac, but it does the same thing on a PC. But you will notice here that I've got HitFilm Express and HitFilm. So this is the old version, and it is no longer usable. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Just drag and drop it onto my little, onto my garbage can, my recycling bin, so to speak. And now, let's get into HitFilm. Here we go. Double click on it. Let's see what we get. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay, off we go. HitFilm, FX Home, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, guys, that's how you do it using HitFilm. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to bring in content, how to edit, how to add in photos, all those good things. But for now, that's all we got, guys. Thanks for watching.